How do I start a YouTube channel? I have no microphone, I have no lighting, I have no camera, I have nothing. How do I start? That used to be me. So sit tight, I'm about to share with you how to start with little or no equipment. All you need is a phone, computer, whatever it is you have that has a camera. Hi Munchkins, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a little bit different. We're going to be talking about how to start your YouTube channel. The reason why I'm doing this is because I used to ask myself this question exactly a year ago. Looking at my videos right now, I'm cringing because oh my god, they are a little bit, I don't know, I have no words for them. I will probably look back at today's video or my recent videos next year and I'm like, oh my god, what was I thinking? But guys, nothing happens, no improvement happens if you don't try. Like, you won't see the improvement you're making if you don't start. So of course the first thing I have to tell you guys is you have to always start. Just start with whatever you have. I started with an iPad. You're about to see the quality of the video, or you can just go back and see my past videos. I started with an iPad, guys, and then I moved to a laptop and an iPad combined, just because I wanted to show different angles. And then of course I use natural light. I still do use natural light. Recently I just actually made my own DIY light, which I'll tell you more about in a future video. But just start. Like, you will never have everything together. I keep saying that even with weight loss that I talk about, because you guys know I talk about weight loss, healing naturally, healthy recipes and stuff like that. Just start. Now the next thing I have to give you, which I'm not very good at, is consistency. When it comes to like shooting these videos and recording these videos, I'm not that consistent. That's probably why my channel hasn't grown. But I realized that in the past couple of months I started being consistent, and that is when all you guys have like come to start watching my stuff. It's because of my recent consistency. So that is a lesson learned for me and for you. If you want to start, just start. And then just start and then be consistent. And then the other thing you have to do is find a niche. It is very important to find a niche, unless you're like, even for vloggers, they have like a niche, like they're fashion vloggers or food vloggers, like, or lifestyle vloggers. You just have to find a niche. I was a little bit all over the place trying to copy people, because they say fake it till you make it, like, or like copy some people and then you'll find your voice. I found that copying other people, oh my god, it was crazy. There is one particular video, I think I was trying to copy Jamie Oliver or the food basket, I'm not so sure, but I looked at it today and I'm like, oh my god. Anyway, just be consistent, find your niche. And I know it's very hard to find a niche, guys, I know that, but the advice I would give you for that, finding your niche, is just start to record things that you like, and then one of those things will work for you. I personally love food, and I started by making food recipes, which everyone does, and then it's just like food recipes, and then I didn't really have. So why, like, you even have to ask yourself, why are you doing this in the first place? Is it making you happy? Is it to share recipes with other people? I don't know, whatever it is. So for me, it was just like sharing food recipes and stuff, like food that I normally eat, but I did not even know what. I was so stiff, like I couldn't talk. Like right now I'm just like basically talking to the camera, and it's like, you know, it's just coming naturally. But all that came from being consistent and trying to do it without the equipment. And then after that, when I got a camera, I just, like, you know, it just kind of came naturally. And then I'm sure, of course, you have questions like, I don't even have the what is it called, the software to edit and stuff like that. You guys, if you have an iPhone or iPad or a Mac laptop, it comes with iMovie. I still use iMovie until today. But then if you're using Android, like I have here, you can use, there are so many free apps. Like the one I personally like is called, what is it called, just give me a minute. Oh, the one I personally like is called Shortcut. It's actually really good. It's free, and it doesn't even come with a watermark, because most of the free ones come with a watermark. This one doesn't. So yeah, just start, be consistent, find your niche, and record something that you're passionate about. I love food. And then how I found my niche is, I found a problem that I normally that I have personally, which is weight loss. I struggle with food, so I started to post videos about how I lose weight, how I struggle with my gym stuff, how I'm doing. And guess what? I find I actually did make a business out of it. I have my own ebook, I have a program to help people lose weight. Everything comes, like, if you want to do something, guys, don't think that you can't do it because you don't have like the means. Let me tell you something. Let me bring you in on a little secret. You can. If you want to do something so bad, you will find a way to do it. You will find a way. That is why I'm saying, if you're saying that your phone is not good enough, think again. You will use that phone and find a way to make it work. Even if it's not good, that is how you learn how to make a change and improve from using the little things that you have to your disposal. And then the next question, people will be like, but I don't have followers, I don't have... Guys, I just made a little over 400 subscribers, but those 400 subscribers just came from being consistent. And on top of being consistent, you share the content on your other social media platforms, Instagram, whatever, Reddit, anything, you share it. You will find that I have videos where I have 10k views, but I still have 400 subscribers. But that is okay. Like, I'm hoping by next year, I'm telling the universe, I believe in the universe and putting energy out there. I'm hoping to have 10k by this time next year. You know what, actually not even 10k, maybe 50k, maybe even 100k. You know what, I'm going to put in the work. I'm going to be consistent and I'm going to put in the work and I'm going to get where I want to be. So just a little question for you guys. What is stopping you from starting your YouTube channel? Or even if it's not YouTube, what is stopping you from chasing after your goals? Let me know in the comment section down below what your goals are and what is stopping you, because it's not just about YouTube, it's about whatever goal you have. When you want to lose weight, you set a goal and start doing it. When you want to make money, you find out what it is you can sell or what it is you can do to make money. Whatever it is you want to do, basically the same rules apply. Be consistent, find your niche, do what you love, same rules apply. Anyway, I feel like I'm talking too much. This video was about going back in time to show you guys my videos, like how terrible they were and how much improvement I've made over the past 1 year. So let's get straight into that. That is why my laptop is here. So, oh my god, I'm cringing even before we get started.
So this here was the first ever video I recorded on YouTube, and I didn't even say a word through the whole video. It was just basically, yeah, sound. Oh my god. This one, not talking either, just action. So this just goes to say, if you lack confidence, you can start like this until you find it, guys. You don't have to like start with all the confidence. You just have to start and you build your way up. In this one, I think this is when I started to actually talk. Let me see.
I absolutely love eggs. I could totally have them for every meal of the day. So in today's episode for my lunch, I'm going to prepare vegetable egg wrap. Welcome to my channel and enjoy. So in today's recipe we have...
Did you see the transition in that video? It's terrible, but you know what, I did it and put it out there, and now I'm looking at it and I'm learning. Well, I learned from my mistakes and now I'm doing a lot better. Let's move on to the next one. Oh my god. Do you remember how I told you guys that I was trying to like fake it till you make it, copy someone you're trying to be like? Here I was trying to copy Jamie Oliver, no, the food busker, and because there is this thing that they do, them both, they come to the screen and talk to you and be engaging. So I'm not showing you this from the beginning. I'm just showing you, I'm just telling you why I was doing this particularly. Anyway, so this whole thing of coming close to the camera, when I showed my boyfriend this, he's like, were you trying to like, you know, hook up with a camera or something? Well, clearly it didn't work, and the sound was terrible. But you know what, you learn from experience. This is when I learned that I had to get a microphone. So I guess you learn from that. Well, not I guess, I know you learn from experience. So after this, I got a microphone, and now let's move on to the last video that started my getting better journey, even if it wasn't the best.
guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.
I don't know if you can tell in this video. First of all, I was shy because my boyfriend was watching me, and I'm like, what should I say? What should I say? And through the editing, you can tell that I was a little bit dazed, and I'm like, subscribe, comment, and share. What the hell was that? Anyway, that is it, guys.
So guys, more of the story is just start whatever it is you want to do. Just start. You will get momentum along the way, because if you don't start, then you don't find solutions. The thing is that when you start and you find that you don't like what something looks like, you find a solution to make it better, and that's how you improve. But if you don't, it never happens. That being said, my New Year's resolutions are to be more consistent, to stop procrastinating. That's when it comes to every part of my life, actually every aspect of life, not just YouTube. Stop procrastinating, be more consistent with working out, eating healthy. All these things help me help my clients, so I have to do them kind of, but it's a good thing. It helps motivate me to, like, me trying to do something for my clients helps me be a better person. So that's how it should be. If you're just giving value to other people, even if they pay you back, it's not about the monetary value, it's about how it makes you feel. And I believe strongly in the impact you put on other people. If it's positive, even if they pay you back in monetary terms, it makes you feel good, and that's what is really important, because at the end of the day, money is not going to make you feel good. It could buy you good stuff, but it's temporary. It doesn't buy you like feeling great. Anyway, I feel like I'm talking too much, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you guys next time. Oh, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell right next to it to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm going to be uploading a lot more consistently now, so stay tuned for that. And I know I promised you guys a good video after the previous video. This is kind of insightful, but it's not my regular video. It's just basically to help you guys, whoever is out there that wants to start a channel or any journey into their lives, because the new year is coming and the resolutions are all in the air. So yeah, bye guys.